If you're a new Amazon seller who wants to find your first auto-ungated profitable product to sell on Amazon this week, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the easiest way to find a lot of profitable auto-ungate products fast so you can get the process started of making money on Amazon and seasoning your account. So after 2 or 3 months, so many big brands start to auto-ungate. Let's jump inside my screen and show you guys the exact method. All right, guys, so here inside my screen, we can see on this retailer Blue Mercury right here that this Victoria Beckham beauty product is going for 35 bucks. Now over on Amazon, that same beauty product is selling for $48 right here. So if we plug in on the SellerAmp Chrome extension right here, 35, right, we can see selling for 47, we would make about $1 profit and a 4% ROI. Now that's not looking good right there, but we can take this ASIN and check the box on bulk ungate checker. This is how we're going to be able to really scale this and check a lot of ASINs quick right here is using the bulk ungate checker. So taking a look here, right, we can go ahead and see right here, just plugging that ASIN in right here, boom. There is a big suggested list in Boxem here too as well. I personally wouldn't recommend sourcing from that, guys. However, it is a cool way to see that your account is ungated in a bunch of things right here. Where the bulk ungate checker really comes in handy is plugging in ASINs in bulk as we do storefront stocking, which I'll show you guys here so you don't have to check them individually one-on-one right here. So taking a look here, right, we can see 35 bucks right into 48 right here, right? So not quite there, but a couple things that do actually make this good. If we scroll down here on Blue Mercury website, we can see there's a 15% email sign-up code right here that we can go ahead and use again and again right here. So if we go ahead and take off 15% from this and then just hit enter, now this becomes $6 profit and a 22% ROI. And we want $3 plus profit per unit, a 30% plus or even 25% plus return on investment, and under a 200K rank in 30 sales per month. So we're getting close to that. And I can see that this listing is an FBM seller in the buy box because it ships from the seller, doesn't ship from Amazon. So I know I can take advantage of what's called the prime bump and I can sell this guy faster. Right? So if we go ahead and add in 10% right here, because prime FBA gets to customers quicker, you can price items higher, typically in the ballpark of 5, 10, or even 15% higher. So say we add in 10% to this, now this becomes $10 profit and a 36% ROI. So it's way different, you know, making $1 profit versus $11 profit and making a 4% ROI versus a 36% ROI. And this is an auto-ungate product. And I see so many beginner sellers that want to like do manual sourcing or want to use some expensive tool or anything like that. And all you need, guys, is SellerAmp and Boxem to do this. The best way to do things is to just do what's called storefront stalking right here, where we scroll down here on SellerAmp and take a look at these sellers here and go ahead and open up their items, their storefronts here, so we can see the other listings they carry too as well. So now looking inside these seller storefronts, we can see all the brands they carry, all the categories they carry. And now anything that sells quick, we can get started plugging those ASINs into Boxem right here. So for example, right here, I'll just plug in like 3 to 5 at a time right here, just to speed up this process. This one's too cheap. Amazon's on it right there. This is a listing we just found profitable and this sells only 5 per month right. So I recommend opening up everyone's storefront and then we can just get started, you know, plugging ASINs in bulk here, anything that sells quick. So for example, like 50 per month, despite the rank being not great right there, we can plug that in. 134K rank, we'll take a look at that guy right here. 9K rank, we'll take a look at that guy. Boom, let's see 20K rank right here. Boom, we will go ahead and plug that into as well, the stuff that sells quick. And then we just go ahead and hit check ASINs right here and see what we got. So we can see, boom. So yeah, 3 of these guys are ungated. So we'll go ahead and take a look at that right there, right? So we can see, boom. So this is 12.98 right here. I always look at the Keepa extension too. We can see the competition's trending up on this guy. So I'm going to pass on that one here. This one here is 23 FBA. So we need this in the ballpark of like 11 or something like that. That's probably not possible. Looking at the Keepa here, we can go ahead and see. Yeah, 50 bucks. And that's the thing. If you're finding like one good product per hour, like that's totally good because you're going to get way better at discounting over time. You're going to get a lot more auto-ungates over time. And it's just cool partnering up and taking a look and, you know, plugging these in here. And it's like, I don't think this will work here. Right. But this one here is at 15, nice and steady right here. Right. So let's see. Can we go ahead and pick this guy up? So let's see. Yeah, 649 here from Walmart. Ooh, that's actually $7 now. So 7. 97 on Walmart. Yeah, we lose $1 on that, so we can see it. Those products are not good there, or at least currently aren't, right? Let's see. We'll take a look at these guys too as well. These guys are nice and cheap, right? So we'll get started throwing these guys in right here. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Very good, very good, very good. All right. So let's see what we got here, right? So we can see, yeah, one ungated right here, right? So now let's open this up and check the chart and see what we got. So let's see here. Ooh, okay, yeah, definitely not a good chart right there. Okay, so we can see, taking a look at some items that are experiencing what's called price tanking right now. But this guy here is from the same brand, and we could, yeah, FBA that up there. Pretty expensive, right? So this one actually probably does work here. Let's see if we take a look at this guy right here. Right, and we can see, yeah, some other stuff here too, as well as like 49 here. Yeah, so 39, so that'd be close right there, right? Similar margin on that guy here. Let's see the FBA price of like 45 here. Let's see, so 45 right there. Yeah, that would be close. After sales tax would be like a 10% ROI, but that's the thing, guys. Progress over perfection. Like really all you need to start getting a lot of stuff auto ungate is like 200 units sold or like 5K in revenue, which typically takes in the ballpark of 1 to 3 months for folks. And then it's a lot more things start to auto ungate there, and then your journey gets, you know, substantially easier right here. So let's go ahead and keep plugging these bad boys in here. And this is literally like the big thing is just making sure you start out on a good auto ungate product. You've already seen a few examples of those. Let's go ahead and track down one more here, guys. Let's see. Plugging this in here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, 30 bucks right there. That looks potentially really good. Let's see. Yeah, all these guys sell quick right here. So let's see. Boom. Yeah, okay, cool. So there'll be some money in these guys here. Let's see if we can track down one more of these bad boys profitably right here. So let's see. Boom, popping this guy in here. Right, tabs got a little messed up. Yeah, we already did the Coco one right there. Right, now let's see. So let's just go ahead and plug these guys in here. Keep it simple. Sometimes you got to do a little tech support with the OA game, guys. So let's see here. Yeah, taking a look here. So 35. Right here. Yeah, nice trend here, guys. So let's see. So yeah, 33 here. So let's look this little paper towel dispenser right here. So let's see, worldmarket.com. Let's see, yeah, $19.99. So $19.99 here. Yeah, and then that's yeah, spin up to 15%. So it's going to give us 15% here. Let's see, so $19.99. Take off 15% right there. We can see that is close. Going as high as like 33.59 here. So this is the kind of thing I would add to a spreadsheet to come back to in the future. Not quite there despite being auto ungated here. Let's see, 33 here on this guy. Let's see, Road Peptide here. Let's see, yeah, Sephora, we should be able to use discounted gift cards here. Let's see. Wow, yeah, 12% cash back. Okay, that is very good. And then let's see, yeah, 22.8. So if we plug in 22.8 right here, we are close. Right, and let's check the discounted gift card situation here too as well. So if we go ahead and plug in Sephora, yeah, 8.5% right here. So if we take off 8.5%, hit enter, right, we would need to add in sales tax. This would come out somewhere in the ballpark of like 10% ROI, but this is a very, very stable lead despite the volume being a little bit low. We've been profitable in this for a while, and there is a good trend on Keepa here where it's gone down the past couple months. This could totally make sense to test if you're a beginner, especially if you're interested in the beauty niche, guys. So that's a little bit lower ROI, but definitely something to consider right there. So let's say, so yeah, this one, FBA, we're gonna go like 37 here, right? Because we can go higher there. So let's see, it says private label, or sorry, suspected private label, right? But we need to see if this is actually private label. Is it just the brand selling it? Does not look like it here. This is auto ungate. Let's see what we got right here. Let's see, 22. Okay, cool. Yeah, Best Buy here, because Best Buy, they take tax exempt, right? So, oh no. Okay, so this is out of stock. So this is good. Yeah, because we could gift card this too as well. So we could discount a gift card this. So this would be good. It's just out of stock here. So we can see. Yeah, 8%. This would totally be good. Yeah, 25% ROI and a lot of price stability there. So this is good, just out of stock right there. We can see it is available too from Tart. Ooh, okay. Let's see, 143 right here. Okay, is that the same thing right there? Let's see, Charger Narev here, 20.7 here. So we need to make sure the site is legit here. So let's see, is let's see here, legitimate. Okay, we need to verify that a little bit more right there, but 20.7 right there. That is good. That's profitable. So you need to look into that further and make sure that site's legit. Good ways to check if sites are legit. Check Trustpilot, check their Google reviews, and only check out through PayPal or gift cards on a new retailer. Never do like just direct debit card or anything like that. You sacrifice a lot of purchase security with that here. Let's see. So let's see. So we're just going to throw ASINs in a box here, 3 to 5 at a time here just to keep it simple. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we got. Boom, boom, boom. Right? The smaller the brand, the more likely it is to become auto-ungated. And after 2 or 3 months, so many things start to auto-ungate, which is so important. Why it's so important that you get going now, so that come the Q4 holiday season, you have a ton more of this stuff ungated here. Let's see, $24.99 right here. Yeah, really nice Keepa data right here. And even jumping up as high as like 25.5 here, FBM. So we could go even higher, probably FBA. So let's say, just to keep it conservative here. And let's go ahead and look this guy up. Yeah, $13.99. So as long as any of these sites have free shipping here, this is good. And it's moving 300 per month. This is totally moving quick. Yeah, so it's like $5 shipping. So say you do like 10 units these here, it'd be 14.5 right here. Like after tax, that's decent, right? But if like these guys have free shipping here, for example, let's see here. Yeah, that's back order right there. These guys probably do have free shipping, right? Or any of these sites for that matter here. Let's see. $13.95 here, right? Yeah, pre-order here. So you can see. So this is like something where someone's going to have this in stock. You know what I mean? And it's auto-ungate and the Keepa chart looks really solid right there. So let's see these EcoSmart guys here at 18. Go ahead, plug these boys in. Let's see. Yeah, 9.25 here. 9.25. Home Depot has tax exempt here and discounted gift cards here. Oh crap, it's out of stock. Yeah, okay. So once again, good, but out of stock. And you'd see like, auto-ungate sourcing is not the easiest thing in the world, but that is good. If it was so easy, everyone would do it and then there would be no profit on these products. You know what I mean? Like sometimes pet supplies can be ungated here. Let's say, yes, like that one's gated, no problem here. All right, so we take a look here. Let's find, let's see, 11 right here. If this is a good chart, this still could be moving though here. Let's say, yeah, boom, auto here. So let's see what we got. So 27 here. Let's see, taking a look down here. Right, yeah, nice Keepa data on this, guys. So let's see, what could we go ahead and pick this guy for? Yeah, 30. Okay, that is not good. Our friends at Blue Mercury have a different item there that is cheaper here. Let's see, 22 here. This is like a small brand, or at least I've never heard of it here. Let's find one more good auto-ungated product. Let's see. Jellycat here is a great brand, but that's gated. Let's see, Mac here. Let's see. Boom, yeah, ungated on that. Okay, let's give this a quick Google search here. Lipstick here. Yeah, I don't really think we'll be able to get those where we need to here. Let's see, 22. We could definitely prime bump that. Let's see, yeah, because that's 16. There might be an additional discount there, but it's still not quite there. Let's see, Natasha. Let's see, we've been loving the beauty niche this video here, guys. Let's see, yeah, gated right there, no problem. Let's see, and remember, guys, good auto-ungate products hang out around other good auto-ungate products. Let's see, so yeah, that's gated. So that's ours full of a lot of gated stuff. So if we go from that like raws in there, we can storefront stock from here and find another item or two. Let's see, because this is good Keepa data. A few spots had it, a couple spots it was like back order right there, but someone's going to have that in respect to us being able to pull that out profitably there, right? So let's see, taking a look here, right? 21 here, Stanley, right? So let's just pull like a couple ASINs at a time here, plug these boys in. Let's see what we got. Let's see, so I'll just plug in like 3 to 5 at a time here, just to keep it simple. Let's see, plugging these boys in here. Yeah, 2 of these auto, okay. Let's see what we can do here. Let's get a few more here. I like to get like 5 ungated ones at a time so we can go ahead and crank through these boys. Let's see. Gated right there, okay, no problem. Let's say pump in a couple right here. Let's see, okay, one of these boys here. All right, so let's see here. Yeah, so this is 125 FBM here, right? So we could probably go at least like 135 FBA here. Yeah, okay, so we can see. So a couple of these guys I'm sure are back ordered here. Let's verify that here, guys. Let's see. So if we go down here and we hit filter prime. So we can see, yeah, like back ordered, back order where their product just not yet checked into FBA here. So like that's why you want to price super high on Boxem and then move it down to price competitive once it checks in. But we can see, yeah, literally like all of these people are back ordered here. So like 135, that's not out of the picture at all here. So let's see, 135 right here. Right, so 135 here, right? And then we go ahead and plug these boys in. Yeah, 93 on Sephora or 93 on the brand site. So we plug in 93 here. That honestly works because like even after tax, say you live in like a 6% sales tax state, it's still 10% ROI, and it's not like people are going to return this or anything. And this is a really, really good product. Say you do 10 units of these, that's literally like 1/3 of the AutoEngage milestone. So progress over perfection. And all you're doing as a beginner seller is working towards that like 5K-ish in revenue. And that's where a ton of new brands, Gap, Carter's, and One, etc., are going to start to AutoEngage. And that makes things really simple. So literally the AutoEngage products you saw in this video that were good or close, you can open those up. You can rewind this video, screenshot them, plug the ASIN or plug the screenshot in ChatGPT, have it give you the ASIN, and that is how you can get started. Storefront stocking from here, throwing ASINs in a box them in bulk, 3 to 5, maybe 10 at a time, and then get started, open them up, check keep a chart, go in and make them good. That's the name of the game here. Make sure if you haven't yet tried out a 2-week free trial of Boxem, do that, boxem.com, subscribe for more. We got a ton of good content coming for you guys. See you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.